Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you stopped by. I have to tell you today, for those of you that don't know, I was in an accident and I haven't heard yet if my car is totaled or not. It may be totaled. Um, if it is, then it's covered. Um, but I want to talk to you today about insurance because I looked into this when I decided that I was going to start doing delivery. I was very upfront with my company and I called them, which was Geico, and I said, hey, I'm thinking of doing food delivery, DoorDash, Grub Hub, Instacart, UberEats, Shipped, all that. But I want to make sure I'm covered. I want to make sure that I have the proper liability and coverage on my car, myself, and whoever else. And she looked into it and she said, well, in your state, which is Arizona, Geico doesn't cover. Now they do in some states. Um, and I said, okay, well, I'll look for a supplemental then. So I started looking around and insurance, they all wanted to go commercial. It's the only thing I could find. They wanted to go to commercial and it was like, some of them were like 800 a month, 500 a month. I mean, it wouldn't have been worth it for me to be doing delivery and have that. So I thought, okay, that's not going to work. So meanwhile, somebody from Geico called me back and was pretty harsh and actually, I would have to say rude. Um, I explained, I was very forthcoming. I wasn't trying to hide anything or uh, not take care of what I need to take care of. So the guy asked me if I was delivering. And I said, well, I am, but I'm not using my vehicle. And he said, okay. He said, I just want to let you know that Geico does not cover delivery. And if you deliver with your car, you will not be covered. And if we find out you're delivering with your car, then we will cancel you on the spot for any kind of driving, even if it's not during delivery. So I said, yeah, that's fine. I get it. And I said, I am looking for, he goes, well, even if you find a supplemental and you attach it, he said, we won't cover you. He said, because we just don't want to be involved in it. And I'm like, okay. And I said, well, yeah, if I got somebody else wanted to cover me, of course I would give them my whole policy. I'd give them anything I have, my home, any insurance I have. So I thought, well, I got to do something. I really have to look into this. So I called a broker. Now, this is what you need to do. Don't try to do it on your own. A broker doesn't charge you money. Call a broker. What they do is they shop all the insurance companies for you. They will shop companies. They will find out who does. Now, in my area, there were two companies that did it. One was still pretty expensive, and one was reasonable. I mean, I pay between $50 or $60 a month more than I did before. To me, that's like a third of a day's pay. I mean, I can make $50, say, in a lunch or dinner. So to me, it was reasonable. My deductible was low. Um, and the company that did it for me was Progressive. Now, he said they're starting to do rideshare because I told him, I said, it's crazy. So many people are doing this. So many people are doing delivery. So many people are out there doing um, rideshare and they're not covered. So we're driving around on the roads and all these people aren't covered. And he said, well, they're realizing that there's a big part of the market. And I go, yeah, because these people, if they have accidents, they're claiming they're not delivering or they're not doing whatever. And that, so the insurance companies on one hand are actually losing money because they're covering these people anyway, probably. So I said, that's crazy. And he said, yeah, they're starting to do it for rideshare. So anyway, he found Progressive. Now, when I had my accident, I was on my way home, so I wasn't delivering. But the peace of mind that you have. What do you do if you total your car or you injure another person or you injure yourself and you don't have insurance? What would you do? Like for me, I kept my deductible low because I didn't want, I thought, I don't want to, yeah, it's cheaper every month, but I don't want to come up with 500 or $1,000 if I get in an accident. So I've always kept it low, kept the 100 deductible. You can come up with $100, you can scrape that together. So anyway, um, when I called myself, I was being quoted $500 to $800 for commercial insurance. I don't have a fleet of cars or trucks. I don't need commercial insurance. I just needed insurance supplemental for delivery. So call a broker, have them look into it. It doesn't cost you anything. If they find something reasonable, then you're going to be able to get that and have peace of mind. And honestly, it is so worth it to have that peace of mind. I'm sure there's people out there doing delivery that worry. Do they own a house? Are they going to take your house? Are they going to uh, garnish your wages? What are they going to do? And what if you total your car and they say, well, we're not going to cover you because we don't cover delivery? What are you going to do? So get insurance and be safe. Ugh, I don't know what's going to happen with my car or with my delivery. I love it so much. I really enjoy it. But I'm just going to have to wait and see what happens. Um, be safe out there, cover yourself, and make a lot of money. All right. I'll see you again soon in the next video.